We have a project created in Premiere version 2023. We are trying to open it in Premiere version 2022. Boom. We get just such an inscription about the impossibility of opening this project. We solve this problem. Change the project extension to zip. And zip it to the same folder. We get this file. We change its extension to CSC and open it with an ordinary notepad. And here we change this value of 41, well, for example, to 30. Save the file and now assign it the extension of our saved project file. Now, when you try to open it in the Premiere version 2022, he will calmly open it, offering to resave it. Thank you very much for subscribing and liking.